My name is Mihaela Cozma. We live in Sully, in Penarth. It's a very beautiful spot in South Wales. One of our friends, they've had their kitchen done by Sigma, and the showroom in Cardiff has been recommended by them. As soon as we stepped into the showroom, Alison came to see us, and straight from the start she kind of walked us through the shop and present us all the ranges. Immediately I felt very welcome there. It was lovely. It really helped me to actually make up my mind what type of kitchen I was gonna have. The type of kitchen we were looking for, it was the shaker kitchen, and because what we wanted, we wanted to achieve more like of a cottage countryside look for our kitchen. She really got it from day one. Wherever I wanted, she's incorporated even more. I think she's added a few shelves, and then I really like that because it breaks it down a bit. It's not so busy, and I think she's proposed the glass shelves so the light can actually go through and you can see every single shelf. So all these little aspects came from Alice. One of the must-have features in the kitchen, it was a TV unit display together with double ovens. It was a must as well to have the mantle above the hob. I really wanted something big, like a statement. The installation was pretty simple. The installation manager came twice and double-checked the measures. They came exactly at the day they said they're going to deliver the kitchen. The next day, the fitter came with his tools and everything. He was very tidy. He's had a very good relation with my husband. When they installed the kitchen, they worked together, kind of. I mean, every single aspect my husband proposed, he was done. And it was easy for us. That's the reason we wanted him to come back and do the wardrobes. The favorite part of the kitchen is the island. The whole family can actually be around the island, and everyone can eat and cook and whatever together at the same time. It's very spacious, and we love it. I like the TV display, the fridge units, the ovens. I pretty much love it all. I would recommend Sigma 3. I already did to all my friends. It's got a large variety. I think it covers every taste. The quality of the actual furniture, the doors and everything, the fitting, and the whole experience I've had. It makes me recommend the Sigma 3 to everybody.